Lowell area traffic, please be advised, Orb Aerospace conducting small UAS tests. Mark 2, at the end of runway 24, altitude not to exceed 200 feet. Lowell area traffic.
GNC, Aircom, go.
Video.
Rolling. All right, timer is a go.
Crew chief is a go.
All right, pilot 1.
Go.
Pilot 2.
Go.
You are clear for test.
Requesting control.
Your control.
My control. Clear prop. Arming in 3, 2, 1. Climbing.
$66 meters currently. You can proceed when you're ready.
Transitioning. 3, 2, 1.
Airspeed reached. Air transition done. 50, 68, 55, or 60 meters. 65, 69, 70, 71,
Back
72,
trans.
74.
3, 2, 1. Wheel down. All right.
That's terminated.
Hell yeah. Way to go. Yeah!